Hello friends.
This is Jayesh Lorge from Indian VP's KBT College of Engineering, studying in BE Mechanical A Division, roll number 62. In this video, we are going to discuss about the technical specification of Lamborghini Aventador and take the overview of same under the guidance of Professor V.V. Shinde. Presenting the brand new Lamborghini Aventador. Just look how beautiful, attractive and sporty it looks. It is just marvelous and eye-catching. Everybody amongst you must be familiar with the name Lamborghini and the craze of Lamborghini in India. This is considered as the best and fastest supercar in this segment available in India. The Lamborghini Aventador is mid-engine sport car produced by Italian automotive manufacturer Lamborghini. With wild-looking bodywork and dramatic performance, the 2020 Lamborghini Aventador is spectacular in every sense of the word. This is convertible version of the SVJ variant from 2020. The roofless one was introduced at 2019 Geneva Auto Show. Lamborghini Aventador is especially my favorite car and I have dreamed to own it. Now talking about the exterior of Lamborghini Aventador, ultra lightweight material developed for maximum performance give rise to breathtaking design. Enhanced aerodynamic profile, a fully redesigned front edge, larger side skirt, omega shaped rear wings and exhaust outlet are incorporated into carbon fiber chassis. This car features an exclusive colors and finishes, highlights the intensive use of carbon fibers. Angular and aggressive bodywork is defining trait of Aventador styling with much sharper air damp up front, a more aggressive rear diffuser, a huge spoiler on the rear, big forged wheels of 21 inches and standard LED lighting system enhances its presence and its beautiful logo attracts the most. Now talking about the interior of this car, Aventador is luxurious sports supercar with cutting-edge technology. The interior finishing feature material of highest quality and present an infinite variety of possibilities. The elegant design combines with most advanced features such as instrumental panel that features an interactive liquid crystal TFT display with redesigned graphic and customizable LED lighting system. Dimension of this car is: length of this car is 4943 mm. Width of this car is 2273 mm. Height of this car is 1136 mm. Base wheel is 2700 mm. Dry weight of the car is 1525 kgs. Now talking about the performance of this car, the heart of the car, that is 6.5 liter V12 engine, is in itself like a power plant. The acceleration of this car is really massive. It can reach from 0 to 100 km per hour just in 2.9 seconds and go up to top speed of 351 km per hour. And not just its acceleration but also braking is best. It can reach from 100 km per hour to 0 km per hour in just 30 meters. Technical specification of the car. Firstly, talking about the engine, this car has V12 60° MPI type of engine and with 6.498 cm3 of displacement, 95 mm bore diameter, 76.4 stroke length, wall gear with variable wall timing electronically controlled. Compression ratio is 11.8 plus minus 0.2:1. Maximum power developed by this car is 700 horsepower, that is 515 kilowatt at 8250 rpm, and maximum torque developed is 690 newton meter at 5500 rpm. Emission class is BS6 and lubrication system is dry sump and cooling system is water and oil cooling system in the rear with variable inlets. Transmission 4WD with Haldex Generation 4 type of transmission, 7-speed IRS shifting characteristic depending on driving select mode, gearbox, clutch, double plate clutch of 235 mm diameter and standard of transmission is AMT. Suspension front and rear horizontal monotube damper with push rod system. ESP/ABS with different ESP characteristics managed by drive select mode. steering gear with 3 different servotonic characteristics managed by driving select mode. Front wheel 19 inches into 9J, rear wheel 20 inches into 12J. Braking system, dual hydraulic circuit brake system with vacuum brake boosters. At front, 6-cylinder brake capillaries, diameter 400 into 38 mm. At rear side, 4-cylinder brake capillaries, diameter 380 into 38 mm. Capacity, this is 2-seater car. Fuel tank capacity is 90 liter. Engine oil capacity is 13 liter. Engine coolant capacity is 25 liters. Finally, talking about the safety features of the car, airbags. The car has front dual stage driver airbag and front adaptive passenger airbag, seat with side head thorax airbags, passenger and driver knee airbags. For passive safety, front and rear specific collapsible areas, side protection system. For active safety, electronic stability control, that is ABS and TCS integrated. Fuel consumption of the car, this car needs 17.9 liter of petrol for 100 km of the run. These were few technical specifications of Lamborghini Aventador and overview of this car. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.